Once the account has been created, we can proceed and send a case. So let's click on Send a Case. We have three types of material: zirconia, PMMA multilayer, titanium. Let's choose zirconia crown and bridge. Here we have three types of services: design service, milling service, design and milling service. Let's choose milling service. In this type of service, we want to upload the designed file ready to mill. So I'm going to click on Upload. I can drag and drop the files or choose from a local file. If I want to drag and drop from an external Explorer, I'm going to go to the patient folder, which is Gloria J. I'm going to select the file that I want to upload, and then I'm going to drag and drop. Once they have been uploaded, I'm going to click on Add. As you can see, I have the two files here. I can also remove the files by clicking here. I can remove the single file, or I can click on Remove All to remove all of the files. I can also upload the file by clicking on this option. Go to the patient folder, Gloria J, select the two files, open, add. Once the uploading is ready, I'm gonna go and select the quantity. Here I uploaded two single crown, so quantity is gonna be 2. Let's go to the prescription RX. Case ID, which is the patient name, Gloria J. I'm gonna select the type of zirconia that I want to be milled, my files, shades, A1, and if I want the opaque inside or if I want the stain and glaze option. Let's choose the opaque inside, and also I can add some special instruction. Once the prescription RX is ready, we can click on Add to Cart, and our item is going to be added to the cart. If I want to upload another case, I can click on Send a Case, and it's the same product. I can go to zirconia, crown and bridge, choose the same type of service, upload, choose a local file, select the patient folder, Leonard K, select the file that I want to upload, open, add. I just uploaded one single crown, so the quantity is 1. Let's go to the prescription RX. Case ID is patient name, which is Leonard K. Zirconia type for this type of crown is an Argent Z ST shade B1. I want a stain and glaze option. I don't want to add any special instruction, so I'm ready to add to the cart. Let's open the cart. So as you can see, I have the two products with the quantity and all of the files and specification. If everything looks okay, we can proceed to the checkout page. Here you can also add a discount code if you have it. Otherwise, you can fill out this page with all of your shipping information, shipping method, and then add your payment information and proceed with the payment. Once the payment has been done, you're gonna receive an email with your invoice and the tracking number where you can track your package. If you want more information about the turnaround time, you can go to About Us turnaround time to see all of the processing time on every single product type. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon.